Here is how to enable click and collect based on conditional logic. Start by going to Settings, then click on Click and Collect. Under the Conditional Activation section, you will find options to set rules based on either order value or order weight. For this example, we will set the minimum order value to 600 and ensure the status toggle is set to Enable. Let's click Save. It means Click and Collect will only activate when total is more than 600. Now, let's see how this updates on the cart page. When a customer selects Click and Collect, a clear prompt appears stating that the minimum order value for pickup is 600. If we update the item quantities and the order subtotal exceeds 600, the option unlocks. The pickup locations instantly become available. Beyond order value, you can also establish restrictions according to total item weight. By checking this box, you can set rules utilizing product types, tags, or vendors. This gives you additional control over exactly which cart items qualify for store pickup or click and collect. Depending on your condition selection, you can completely enable or disable click and collect method availability. Additionally, you can choose to hide the click and collect method entirely in the widget if your conditions are not met. Normally, the app defaults to displaying a simple error notification to the customers. However, if you prefer to completely hide click and collect method until the criteria are satisfied, simply check this option. If it's unchecked, then it's prompt error message like, "Items not eligible for click and collect."